So next up, guys, got a nice little pickup here. It's a 2006 GMC Sierra 1500, four-wheel drive truck, guys. Extended cabs, got that nice little long bed on her. Pretty good rubber. 226,000 miles, guys. She's got a little rust there, some spots. You'll probably see that in the video and the pictures. But you know, for this kind of this vintage, it is stuck in four-wheel drive high, guys. I just want to point that out. We're not sure what the issue is. The guy made it seem like it just started happening when he brought it in, but it is doing that. So Garrett's gonna fire it up. He'll give you a little demo. Starts right up there easy. Let's give you forward and reverse here. 5.3-liter Vortec motor, guys. Automatic transmission. Just got spinning around here. And it is pretty well right at 0 today, and she started right up. This must have a pretty good battery. Jumping or anything. Easy working it. So there's a quick demo, guys. 2006 GMC Sierra 1500 extended cab truck, four-wheel drive unit, guys. Good luck. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.